Welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs, and in today's video guys, we are filming just a vlog really, and we're going to go over to the container and go see my not my CR50, my XR50 guys. It's like one of the original bikes I've first ever had on this channel guys. I've only made about 2 videos on like the Honda 50s, but they're just great fun, the Honda CR50s. So we're going to go over to the container, see what the bike's like. I think there's a lot of stuff that needs to be doing to the bike, so hopefully maybe do a build series soon or do something like that. So yeah.
Put the camera down.
Okay.
Put it down.
Okay. Hey! Hey!
Started school 7-12. Got kicked out of school.
Guys, here's my CR50. It's not looking too good at the moment though. James, just come and have a look what this looks like.
I know what it looks like because I just got it out of the container.
No, but just look, stand from where I am.
Needs work.
Needs work.
CR80. You and me versus each other. I think it'd be quite good. Comment down below guys if you'd like to see that video. The 2 retro CR80s racing. So let's see if this bike actually starts. Videoing. So, doesn't actually sound too good. James is gonna have a quick go on it, see if it's smoking a lot. Right, we're gonna put the bike in the garage, and after we put it into the garage, we're gonna go get a Christmas tree because it's now December the 8th and we haven't got a tree. So yeah. Okay, patty, patty, okay, James' new car.
Just to clarify, this isn't my new car. It's just got full tank of petrol. Why are we going in 3 cars? I didn't know there was a back door. I thought these seats came forward. That's amazing. Burn and get me a glass of boiling water. I'm really thirsty.
A piggy.
It's a 6 tray. How much is it?
£10.
Tenner. I'll buy it for a tenner.
So, got the Christmas trees. Christmas trees are all done. Apart from, I've just stained my jumper, so that's not too good. So yeah, on the way home. You can definitely tell guys it's the winter now. It is so cold. Oh. Don't know if you can hear me, but Alex saw this on the side of the road and it was buy it. So buy it.
Also my gold chair.
No, that wasn't good enough. So we're going inside. Oh, and how much have you got?
£3.80.
Of course, we could take £3 for it. Let's leave you with something. You're lucky because that.
He doesn't want the coppers.
I know who it belongs to, and they'll be happy with that.
Guys, he got it. Alex got the dog. Put it on the thing and look how realistic it looks.
And it breathes.
Oh my god. It looks so realistic on video. Don't let me see a dog.
My dog.
Ah. No, he's asleep, Alex. I can't pass him. He's asleep.
Yeah, we'll go there again. Get the paintings.
Get the painting. We're actually so chuffed with that. We've done good.
Yeah.
Just putting all my kit away at the moment, then gonna put the 50 on the stand and go sort of through a run through of what I'm hopefully gonna do to this Honda CR50, actually XR50. things that needs to be done to this one, to the 50 at the moment. Need new wheels on here. They're all broke. Just all this, look. Spikes all snapped. Best swinging arm. Graphics. Frame swinging arm. I want to paint. I want to paint all the swinging arm. I want to get this done. Forks I want to get done. Seats right. Stickers I want. Graphics. Just like little things like that I want to be getting done really. I'm going to take the graphics off. First, going to take all the graphics off. So, we've got the graphics off. That's enough for me today. But yeah, I need to get some stuff orders. I do. Obviously, wheels need to be done. But James just said that he might be getting a Honda 50 as well, and we might be able to do replicas. So we have the exact same bike, like graphics, everything the exact same. Apart from we just have different numbers. What I think would look so trick. So hopefully that's what we're gonna do. Because if we do that, I think that would be so trick, guys. So comment down below and tell him that he needs to buy one, because to be honest, I think that would be so trick. We'd both be ripping the matching 50s, and it'd just be awesome.
Me on the camera.
We need to go do something.
Louis, what are you doing?
It's too wet and cold outside and dark, so let's ride the pit bike in the house.
You're bringing it in, Louis?
Yeah.
Quick, out, before your mum goes.
One more lap, one more. I can't believe we've just pulled that off riding the pit bike through the house. That was a bit cray-cray, wasn't it?
No.
Bit mental. So yeah guys, that was a bit crazy.
Thank you, fine.
Thank you. So yeah, now we're just off now to get some fish and chips. So yeah. Video. And fish cake, chip and another salad please.
God.
So we've just finished our fish and chips, guys, and you know we went to go get the Christmas tree earlier. We've got it up in the house. So yeah. Very nice. So, Alex, you're gonna do the ceremony of opening the Christmas tree?
Yes, I am.
That's a good song.
Pause it.
Just like the ones I used to know. You need me? Come on, buddy, you're ruining Christmas.
Woo!
So guys, the Christmas tree is looking a bit bare. Oh, look, the tree's all done. The wonderful Christmas tree is all done, guys. It's looking beautiful. The big fluffy Christmas tree. Wow, it looks beautiful. Wow-wee. Right guys, so it's now the end of the day, it's now the morning guys. I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. I was just editing my video and I just saw the quality of the camera guys, so I'm on my Canon G7X at the moment. So hopefully I can get my camera fixed guys for the next video. But guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you're still watching it to the end guys, comment down below what you still want me to do in my next couple of videos, because it's going to be the Christmas term now, like Christmas holiday. So guys, remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah.